Good morning, students. In this video, I will explain third normal form. It means the conditions for the third normal form are the table should be in second normal form and there is no transitive dependency in the table. Then what is second normal form? The table should be in first normal form and there is no partial dependency in the table. What is first normal form? If a table contains multi-valued attribute, then remove the multi-valued attribute in a table is called as a first normal form. First normal form contains no multi-valued attribute. If a column contains single value, then that is called as a first normal form. Then what is second normal form? It avoids the partial dependency. That means if a non-prime attribute depending on part of a candidate key, then that is called as a partial dependency. Second normal form delete partial dependency in the table. Third normal form delete transitive dependency in the table. Then what is transitive dependency? If A determines B and B determines C, then A determines C. This is called as transitive dependency. Here, the right side attribute is called as a non-prime attribute. The left side attribute is called as a prime attribute. Therefore, non-prime attribute depending on the prime attribute. The non-prime attribute depending on the prime attribute. B is non-prime, A is prime. But see here a non-prime attribute depending on another non-prime attribute. Here a non-prime attribute depends on another non-prime attribute. This is called as transitive dependency. Instead of depending on the prime attribute, here C depending on another non-prime attribute. This is called as a transitive dependency. Example, in this table, roll number is a prime attribute. Name, pin code, city are the non-prime attribute. By using the roll number, by using the student roll number, I can find out the student name, pin code and city of a student. Right? Therefore, all these attributes depending on the roll number. But by using pin code number, I can find out the city. Here, the city depends on the pin code number. But pin code is a non-prime attribute. Pin code is a non-prime attribute. Therefore, here, the non-prime attribute depending on another non-prime attribute. So that here the table suffers from transitive dependency. To remove the transitive dependency, divide the table into two different tables. Okay. First one is student table. In this we mention the roll number, name, pin code are the attributes. By using the student number, I can find out the name and pin code number. Therefore, name, pin code are the non-prime attribute and the roll number is a prime attribute. In this city table, by using the pin code number, I can find out the city. Therefore, city depending on the pin code number. City is a non-prime attribute, pin code is a prime attribute. Okay. This is what about third normal form. In third normal form, we remove the transitive dependency. In second normal form, we remove the partial functional dependency. In first normal form, we remove the multi-values. Thank you.